So can I help you buy your first apartment building? It took me 39 seconds with ChatGPT to answer that question. And Chat really is a powerful, really a partner in helping you become a better real estate investor, especially breaking into the world of multifamily syndications. Back in the day, we had to spend weeks going to conferences, researching, digging into rent growth, calling brokers, just to get the basic knowledge before looking for an actual deal. And honestly, most first-time investors never get past that phase because they think buying apartments is too complicated, too risky, too out of reach. But today, with the right chat prompts and a little strategy, AI can literally walk you through your first deal from picking a market to raising capital. So the question is, can AI help you buy your first apartment building? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, where it basically shortcuts 90% of the work and why you still only need one deal to change your life. Let's get into it. All right, in the previous videos, we talked about using chat in a little bit more of an unsophisticated manner. We're just kind of saying, hey, what real estate strategy can get me to $10,000 per month? And chat really wasn't too helpful because it gave you too many choices. Then in the second video, we learned about the crit method, where chat basically is provided some context and it's given a role and it interviews you and then gives you a much better personalized strategy that is right for you. And as we saw in the previous video, getting into syndications and raising capital is typically the fastest way to get to $10,000 per month. So what we want to answer in this video is, okay, how do you do it? How do you do it? So we're going to get in here and I want to help prepare to syndicate my first multifamily property in the US. Tell me the 5 most important steps of the syndication process to buy multifamily property. And then using those steps, give me an action item list of the things I need to do starting right now through the next 30 days. Let's see what chat comes up with. All right, let's see what chat comes back with here. Okay, I want to know most important steps. Number 1, education and foundation. All right, sounds good. Build your team. We talk about a lot, actually. Build your investor network. All right, start raising capital well before you have a deal. That's very good. Grow a database of investors, find and analyze deals, build broker relationships, secure capital, and close. All right, so action items here. Lay the groundwork, education foundation, read one syndication book, attend at least one syndication-focused webinar or training, create your own personal investment thesis, what type of property. So there's some setup we got to do here. Then we want to build a team. They got an attorney, property manager, mortgage broker. That sounds pretty good. And then build your investor network and create an investor database. Spreadsheet is fine. Draft your personal story, wire your investments, schedule 5 to 10 calls with friends, set up a landing page or LinkedIn post. Cool. Then week 4, deal flow and analysis, identify target markets, practice underwriting, so consider recurring weekly time block to review deals. Cool. End of 30-day milestone. Would you like me to extend this to 90-day? Sure. Okay, that's a lot. Heavy 30 days here. Let's see what we got for 90 days. All right, so we got days 130s, what we just had. This is pretty cool. Investor engagement, deal flow. So expanding your investor list. You're sending out investor updates, email. That's pretty cool. Maybe an informal webinar to bring everybody together. I like that. You're underwriting at least 2 to 3 deals a week. Maybe you're on tour properties. You're narrowing down your target markets. Okay. So we got some investor engagement and deal flow, and then in the last third month, we're starting to line up some soft commits. Okay, you're building relationships with 1 to 2 key equity partners who could help fill gaps if you can't. That's very smart. Actually, we teach that as well. That's amazing. Now you're starting to make some offers as well. All right, it's a pretty strong, very powerful 90-day checklist. So this is a pretty good start, right? This is really amazing, and I can continue prompting chat here. But there's also a lot of stuff here as well, right? So, for example, how do I find these members here, right? How do I expand my investor list? How do I find them? What do I say to them? Like, how do I set up these investor reports? How do I underwrite? What does that even mean? It's analyzing deals, right? Well, what financial modules you use? What are the criteria? Brokers, how do I even speak with brokers? Things of that nature. How do I submit an LOI? What's involved as well? There's a lot of questions that you might now have. If you're interested in the answers to those questions, then watch this next video. It's kind of like this introduction to apartments. We oftentimes call Apartments 101. It's really going to start showing you how to start building your team, start raising your money, how to analyze deals quickly, how to pick your market, and then actually some tips to close your first deal in as little as 6 months by raising money, by partnering with other people. So if that's interesting to you, then go ahead and watch that next video.